welcome to another EM creation tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the new PHP array declaration, the shorthand way of declaring an array. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open NetBeans. Once that is loaded, we're going to open up the My First Project project. Once this finishes, okay, so here we're going to go File, Open Project. I'm going to find where I put my first project. It's just a PHP project I created. It's not really got much in it, just stuff from my other tutorials. Once that's open, I'm going to right click on source files and create a new folder. I'm going to call this shorthand array. I'm then going to expand that folder and create a new PHP file called shorthand array. Don't know why it's taking a while, but it should go in a second. There we go. Okay, once that is opened, what we're going to do is first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you declared an array before, the old way, the longer way of declaring an array. So I'm going to say array equals array. In fact, fruits. Let's call the array fruits. There's going to be an array of apple, banana, pear instead, orange, and then we're going to print the array. So do a for each loop. So for each fruits as fruit, I'm simply going to print fruit, and then do a new line. We need to start XAMPP as well. Start XAMPP up. Start Apache, MySQL. We don't actually need MySQL, but we definitely need Apache on. So once started that, I'm going to go to my local test server, find my first project, and then go to shorthand array. There. So as you can see, we got apple, pear, orange, which is what we declared here, apple, pear, orange, and then for each, so we're looping through the array, for each fruit says fruit, print out the fruit, and new line, which is what we've done here. So that works. Now, I'm going to show you how to declare an array using the new method. So this is the old method, so I'm just going to put a comment here saying array declaration. It's like that. I'm going to comment that out. And now I'm going to show you the new way to declare an array. Well, it's not. Well, you can still use the old way. This is a slightly shorter way of doing it. So fruits equals like this. So we just go apple, pear, orange. As you can see, we don't need array and written here, and instead of curved brackets, we're using square brackets. So that should output exactly the same as the old array method. And as you can see, it's exactly the same. You can also use keys as well, so we can give it keys. So we can say fruit 1, and then use the arrow sign. Fruit 1 is apple. Fruit 2 is pear. Fruit 3 is orange. And then we can say for each fruits as key fruit, we can then use key. So we can say key and then do a space. And that should now print out fruit 1, fruit 2, fruit 3. Yep, okay, so you can see that works. You can do exactly the same thing in the old array declaration. It's just like that. So this was just a short tutorial to show how you can use the shorthand array declaration. But you cannot use this before PHP 5.4.0. So if you find that this isn't working, you're getting errors, it probably is because you're just using a PHP version that isn't at least 5.4.0. So yeah, that's all.